Can I ask you a question, and will you be really honest with me? Or at least with yourself? Are you not scared of the grave? Are you not scared of the torment that the grave can bring to you? Are you not scared of the loneliness that the grave can bring to you? Are you not scared of the darkness of the grave? Do you not get claustrophobic when you think about how tight a grave is and how small and the width of a grave? Have you ever thought about it and got scared? So why haven't you started to recite Surah Al-Mulk before you go to sleep? 30 ayats, 4 minutes of your time, and a protection from the torment of the grave, and that's a promise. Did you know that Surah Al-Mulk will protect you from the torments of the grave if you are a regular reader of it? So start today, make yourself a promise today that you will recite Surah Al-Mulk every night, and watch how it changes you. Even before entering your grave, watch how it lightens your world, even before it lightens your akhirah, inshallah.